to talk to you about the importance of protecting your data with hard disk encryption and regular backups. It is essential to use hard disk encryption in order to protect your data from attackers. Not only that, but when it's used in combination with partition encryption and encrypted containers, it can provide an additional layer of protection. For Windows, BitLocker is an excellent tool to use, while Mac OS users can opt for File Vault. It is important to understand that various encryption options available to you and select the one that best fits your needs. However, no matter what encryption you choose, it is essential to regularly back up your data. This will ensure that you always have a current version of your data stored in a secure location. So don't forget to protect your data with hard disk encryption and regular backups. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.